Well, first of all, got this seat cover back on, and second of all, took out the shifter knob. But I think that looks really nice. I like it. I'm also going to put in the rest of the bolts in the seat. It's not really bolted down all the way. Put my seat belt in and so forth. And I got this 5th coat of filler knocked down a little bit. But it's getting close. Starting to see less low spots. And soon I'll be moving on to some easier stuff like finishing up the door on this side, a few more spots, low spots on there, and that patch right there, and a few other spots. Alright, here we go again, another coat. It's getting close. It's looking pretty good when you look down the side. Wheel well's looking good. I thought this crap was over with. These are the biggest pieces of snow I've ever seen. Look at this. They're huge. Wow. Started out with like 150 spots. Now I'm down to, I think, 11. So we're getting there. Alright. Hey guys, check out this old 1972 Sears banana seat bike. Pretty cool. Well, got another coat on. Down to a couple spots. There, 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 and there, if I haven't already said it. It's getting close. Almost done with the bed. Also moved on to this door. A few spots on there. And the fender. Up here where I put that patch in, and right there where I put the patch in, and the patch I put right there. Pull out this air compressor and get it all get it going again. The drain plug on the bottom is stripped out pretty good. I might have to re-tap that. And it looks like I'm gonna have to get a tap set here because this hole is stripped out real good. There's barely any threads on there left. I have this nice drain plug here that you just push up and it drains. Well, I found some interesting items while digging through some piles up there. Found a bunch of nice old drill bits. Some look like they'll still work. Some are still sharp. And found one of these neat little doodads. And found some old air horns. I think they're Hadley air horns. They still work. I tried those about a year ago. And found some old school torches. Has some label on there, but it's too worn away to read. Those might be neat if I build a rat rod someday. I think what I'm gonna do now is fix this handle while I got this thing out. It's not even attached there. I'm gonna weld that, and then I'm gonna put a brace across here to make it even more rigid. But that should beef it up a little bit more. It's a beautiful spring day. Okay, welded that up, and I got these two pieces here. One's gonna go right here, and the other one's gonna go a little ways down. Alright, there it is, all welded up. I think I like it. It's really strong. Can't touch it right now, it's still hot, but I think that'll hold up just fine. Alright. That's all for now, guys. Guess I didn't finish that, but I gotta get a tap set. Body filler's probably dry now, but that's all the time I got right now, so I'm gonna close up shop and try to get this video up. Alright, see you guys later.